Rightio. So we are here at Mitchell Car Wash. We have a Istobal M-Wash 3.
Your transaction has been successful. Press the receipt is required. Please follow car wash instructions and signs before.
Let me just put my seatbelt on. And in we go. Haven't been here for a while. And we're in. So let the wash begin. So we have black and grey brushes, which is very nice. Quite common on Istobal machines now. This is pre-soak, I would assume. Overhead high pressure wash, and on the sides as well. Now we'll be on to infinite mousse, I would think. Yep. And onto the brushes now, I think. Nope. More high pressure, actually. Now onto brushes.
Switch on your lights.
Through in front of the vehicle. Doing tyre scrubbers. Change directions. Side brush right here. The other one right there. Doing the back tyres. Cyber change directions. Cyber change directions again. Directions.
Switch on your lights.
So brush wash now ending. Now we are waxing. Just turning on the fan a little bit to demist the car. It's near the end of winter for Australia. There should be spot-free rinse. Yep. Topper string, topper spin. And dry time. Here we go. So we have our traditional Istobal contour dryer, the exact same one you get on the Istobal M-Nex series. Topper string, another topper spin. Of course, you've got your side dryers right here. The fan motor right there. Fan spinning inside there. Put the camera back in the dashboard. Just so we are ready to exit out of the bay. And finished. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next episode. Goodbye.